In this video, I'll show you how to check out events on LinkedIn. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to the channel for lots of educational guides and content like this. Now, events are planned activities that are coming on in the future on a particular due time. So, if you want to check out event on LinkedIn, what we're going to do right now, head over to your LinkedIn account, right? You're going to see this events right here. You're going to click on the event, right? Once I click on event, you're going to see a whole lot of events right here. So you can, let me say, I want to check this. Let me say, you can also check the attendance, right? Okay, let me say, okay, this 52 attendance. I'm going to click on the view. So you're going to view the details about this attendance and the event, right? So you can see it's everything you need to see, right? If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. This is basically how you can check out events on LinkedIn. I'll see you guys in the very next one. Peace.